Today for the Bitcoin and Ethereum price. And guys, this is my recommendation today. Watch this video until the very end. Watch this video before Monday, because the master signal I was predicting is flashing right now for Bitcoin and Ethereum. What does it mean for the price in the immediate short term? I will talk about that. I will show you my $5.4 million US trade. Actually, let me quickly go over into it. This is my trade, $5.4 million US, $1.13 million US in a profit. I will talk about when I'm gonna close it, but more importantly, when am I going to scale up on that trade? What am I going to do with Ethereum and much, much more? Watch the video until the very end. Smash up the like button. As always, guys, you are such a supportive community and I'm happy about every single like. I will join the comment section down below, and obviously, if you can share this video with your friends, I would be really appreciative. Now let's go straight into the charts. And by the way, guys, if you go down below, you press subscribe and press the bell, you can make sure that you are not missing out on the next videos. I can see sometimes people complaining, Chris, I didn't get your video. It is in your power to go down below, press subscribe and press the bell, not to miss out on the future videos. And now let's talk about the price. By the way, I'm here in Ibiza. Very nice view. I really love the amazing views while I'm doing the videos. Really add some additional vibe to the videos. But now let's talk about the information. And here I want to start on the Bitcoin price, actually on the weekly candles. And I will work myself down into the immediate short term. But what is happening here right now on the weekly candles is something for the history books. And I know I'm saying this every now and then, but this is certainly something. And as you remember, I was earlier, actually, let me quickly go back. I want to show it to you. I was right there 1.5 months ago, approximately, when I was in Kiev. I was predicting that the master signal flash. What I was saying there is that 28,800 is the bottom for Bitcoin. And people were asking me, Chris, how do you in the world want to predict that? Well, I took the Fibonacci extension level from the bottom to the high, and I took the Fibonacci golden ratio, the 1.618, and every single time we went above the previous all-time high, we went higher and got a rejection down to the 1.618. And this happened once per cycle, right there. Then it happened once again in, I think, July 2017, when we broke the previous all-time high right there, and we got a rejection down to the 1.618. And I was telling you, I do expect the Bitcoin price to do the exact freaking same thing once again. And guess what, guys? It happened. So far, our prediction perfectly right. Bitcoin going above the previous all-time high and getting a rejection down to the Fibonacci golden ratio. So first of all, congratulations for everyone who not only joined me on this massive kamikaze trade, let me quickly go back, but also for everyone who was sticking here in the MMCrypto community in unconventional times, and times when people were saying we are irrational bulls, we are going down to 20,000. We stood our ground, and we stood our ground that 29,000 is the bottom, and it was the bottom so far. Now let's talk about the immediate short term. I just think that this is a very, very important piece of information for the last doubters, maybe saying that we might go lower here. So far, this bounce is for me a very, very clear signal. And if we are staying here on the weekly, you can also see that on the EMA ribbon, this is another very bullish side note. And this is why I'm saying also watch before Monday. First of all, you can see that we didn't break the ribbon, and historically this means that the bull market is not over. Not only that we confirmed here the bottom of the ribbon, no, we also went above the top of the ribbon, which is the 21-week EMA. This is a clear indication for me, a very clear indication that the bull market is not over. And it is vice versa, a very, very clear indication for me that my bullish price targets are most likely going to be hit. The breakout here from this falling wedge approximately at 33,700, where I went long the first time, then I went scaled up at 36,000. This trade is still open. And not only this, no guys, let me add some more fuel to the fire here. If you can see that we broke also this multi-month trend line here, then you know that we are in for some bullish price action most likely. And the price targets I was mentioning right there at 47,000, right there at 51,000, they are still in place. And not only that, they are in perfect alignment with the VPVR, as you can see it right there where more volume is coming in. So of course, when there is some volume profile resistance coming in, we can expect these price targets to be hit, but maybe to get a small rejection over there. No, it's not only the VPVR. If I am pulling out the Fibonacci extension level, from the bottom, from the famous bottom we predicted as community to the high, then you can see that these levels are also in perfect alignment with the 50% Fibonacci extension level and with the golden pocket, of course, here right now at 51,000 US dollars. And these are also the exact price targets. Let me quickly go back to the camera mode. These are the exact price targets I am personally looking out for Bitcoin right now. This is the ones where I'm going to take some profits, but obviously I want to keep this one open just as we kept the last ones in the last 18 months open. This is how we made these famous, world famous, multi-million-dollar trades as a community. Obviously, I want to talk about Ethereum as well, but I want to have a quick side note here, because now that we are already talking about the long term, let me show you the 1.618, because this is the level we are hitting sooner or later. Obviously, we have to knock out these previous price targets and the all-time high. It might take some time. But once we are hitting the all-time high, breaking through, I am personally looking out for 87,000 US dollars, and this is something for the next few weeks. Definitely a very bullish side note. Now let me go down to the Ethereum price, and I wanted to remind you guys, sometimes people are asking me, Chris, where do you like to trade more? Bybit, Phemex, Binance? I like Bybit and Phemex the most. And if you want to trade there as well, if you want to open a trade, just as I'm having a trade open here, the 5.4 million US dollar trade right now at 1.1 million US dollars in a profit. If you want to trade as well, please take note that this is only, let me repeat that, only for experienced trader. If you're not experienced, stay away. Buying and holding is the key. But if you want to join us on these profitable trades, well guys, I have something for you, and this is still for limited time. If you go down below to the pinned comment, 3,500 US dollars in bonus for free for the MMCrypto community. This is for our community. If you click the Bybit link alone, you get granted $1,600 for free. Click the link, make your deposit. After your initial deposit, you get this bonus for free. In total, $3,500 at a 30x leverage. This is a 100,000 US dollar trade for free. Make sure you go down below and you claim this bonus right now. And now let me go over into the Ethereum chart. And guys, if you're subscribed to the MMCrypto Twitter channel, you know that I was shilling Ethereum for the last few, I don't know, for ages, basically. I have to lord the feed here. I was posting multiple times throughout the last few days. Yeah, this is the Wi-Fi here in Ibiza. Perfect, now I got it. I was posting multiple times that I am extremely bullish on Ethereum, and now we hit the target just a few minutes ago. Ethereum hit our target of 3,000 to 3,100 US dollars. Big congratulations for everyone who is part of the MMCrypto trading community. Big congratulations to everyone who is subscribed to this channel. But now the question is, what is the next price target for Ethereum? As you know, in uptrends, we are, of course, trading Bitcoin, Ethereum. We are taking profits in these native assets, but then after the price target is before the price target, because we want to ride the wave until it's over. We take continuously profits on the way up, obviously, but then we need some points where to take profits. And well, guys, let's zoom in. Once again, Fibonacci is giving us some answer here, since we cannot really work with the volume profile. We have here already the first target hit at the 50%. The next one is actually coming in pretty soon, and this is the most important one. It is the Fibonacci golden pocket, once again at 3,364 to 3,450 US dollars. I would definitely take profits slightly below this range, and then obviously the next one would be the all-time high. But I do expect usually at the golden pocket some chopping around, some consolidation mode before we are going more towards the upside for good. And for everyone who is trading Ethereum with Bitcoin, or for everyone who is just interested how Ethereum is trading against Bitcoin, well, my prediction here also perfectly on point. And I'm a little bit surprised. Like, I made like 4 predictions and all of them are right so far. It's just good to see. And as you can see, Ethereum is following this trajectory here towards the upside, is winning against Bitcoin even, and on the way to my price target of 8.6%. It is definitely good times. It is very nice, and it finally also feels cool to make a video, because I know like all the feedback down below will be awesome. Whereas before with my bullish predictions, people were still not really believing me and I saw some doubts, and it's completely normal obviously, but now it's much easier to talk about these things. Thank you so much for your support, guys. I truly appreciate you. You are the best community in the world. Not only most probably the most profitable one in the world, but definitely the most lovely one in the world. Thank you so much. I'm gonna come back very soon with the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, bye bye.